And how old is she? You're young. Very good. Is this your room? Right now you're sitting in your room. Okay, it's your daddy's room. Okay, right here we have Shafi. Shafi Abdul Shafi with her. Hello Abdul Shafi, how are you dear? Okay, please settle down. Hello Abdul Shafi, how are you? And we have a Minahil with us. Okay, Nafe. Your name? Hello everyone. Hello. Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself to you. I'm teacher Fakra. My name is Fakra and I'm going to teach you. And I'm so excited to have all of you in my class this year. And we are going to have a fabulous year full of learning, full of fun, activities and learning. Okay? You can call me Fahi, teacher Fahi, if you would like to. Okay, now it's yourself to introduce. Can you please introduce yourself one by one? Let us start with the Shafi. Yes, please. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, there are some rules. When teacher is talking, you have to be quiet and listen very carefully. Okay? And when someone is talking, you have to wait for your turn. Right now, this is Shafi's turn. So no one is going to interrupt. Let him complete and then you will go turn. Okay? Well, my dear Maha, I'm talking to you. This rule, my dear, this rule is for you, okay? Oh, you're so adorable, so sweet, Maham. Okay, Shafi. Okay, everyone, please stop laughing. Please, 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 and please be active. Okay, Shafi, your turn. Yes, please introduce yourself. Oh, that's very good. You like to play the soccer? Can you tell me the favorite? Can you please tell me the name of your favorite player from that game? Oh, that one. Wow, that's good. Okay, now who is next? Who is going to introduce? Okay, Minna here. Sorry, Nafe. Are you Nafe? Yes, Nafe. Please introduce yourself to other students. Okay, that's very good. Okay, Maham, your turn. Okay. Yes. Please, Abdul Nafe and Abdul Shafe, please control your laugh, both of you. And Shafe, your camera is continuously moving. Please fix it at one place, okay? Settle down. Come on, guys. You are big, big, big boys. Settle down. Quickly. Hurry up. I want both of you to please settle down. And this is also one of our rules. No one is going to laugh at anyone. Whether it's, hello Anaya. Okay guys, we have Anaya with us. Sorry, what? Nothing? Yes, Nafi, please repeat. Okay, it's okay. You can take your time, Nafi. Please go. You can take your time. Okay, we have Anaya Fatma here with us. Hello Anaya, how are you dear? Anaya, you are muted. Can you please unmute yourself? Anaya, please unmute yourself. And behave nicely. Right now you're in a class. Yes, Anaya. Okay, I think guess Anaya doesn't know how to unmute herself. So we just wave to her. Hello, Anaya. Look, look, Maham is also waving to you and Shafi is also waving to you, Anaya. Very good. That's like it. Yeah. Okay, Shafi, can you tell me how old are you? You're 10 years old. And when you grow up, what you want to be? Engineer, a mechanical engineer or aeronautical engineer? Do you like to fly the planes? Okay, you like the cars most. That's very good. It means you will be the engineer. Oh, that's good. It means Shafi will be an mechanical engineer. Very good. Okay. What Shafi? What you do you love the most in food? What you like to eat in the food? Oranges? In the food fruits. Okay, oranges. You like the oranges. What about you, Mama? What do you like in the fruits? You like grapes. Very good. And what about you, Anaya? What do you like to eat in the fruits? Anaya, you need to unmute yourself, dear. Please unmute yourself, Anaya. Or you can ask your mother to help you, to unmute you. Okay, I guess Anaya needs some time. Okay, fine. Yes, Nafe is back. Yes, Nafe. Tell me how old are you? You are 12 years old. Okay, you are elder than Shafi and Maham. That's good. Okay, now tell me what do you like to eat in fruits? Peach. Peach is your favorite fruit. That's good. And when you grow up, what you want to be? Sorry, can you please repeat? Okay. I think we have another student with us over here. Okay. Okay guys, here I'm going to play a video for you. This is a welcome video. Uh, Let me share my screen to all of you. Okay, is my screen, please all of you mute yourself. I want all of you to mute yourself. Yes, please. Thank you. Okay, only Abdul Shafi. You are going to please unmute yourself. Abdul Shafi. Shafi, please unmute yourself and tell me, is my screen is visible to you? Hello. Okay, Maham, you tell me. Unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself and tell me, is my screen is visible to you? Okay, can you see my screen? Is it visible to you? Yes, good. Thank you. Now, please mute yourself again. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Welcome to the school. Hi. Goodbye. No audio? You are unable to hear it? Okay, there is no audio. Hello, 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 hello. I think we have a new student with us. Hello, dear. How are you? Yes, Vijay. Hello, Vijay. How are you? Okay, Karthik. Karthikesh, how are you? Fine. Okay. I'm fine too. My name is Faki. You can call me Teacher Faki, and I'm going to be your teacher. Okay? Say hello to Karthikesh. Everyone, please wave to Karthikesh. Hello, welcome to the class, Karthikesh. Okay. Okay, guys, I want you know. Okay. Guys, I want you know when I play the video, is the audio visible? You was able to listen the audio or not? No, only the picture is visible to you. Okay, we will solve this problem later. So, yes, Karthikesh, how old are you? You are 8 years old. That's good. And Karthikesh, what would you be when you grow up? Hmm? When you grow up, you want to be what? A doctor. Wow, that's great. How many siblings do you have, Karthikesh? Only one. That is your younger sister, if I'm not wrong. Oh, that's good. That's that game. So, all my dear children, welcome to the class. Welcome to the new session of, welcome to you the session of 2020 to 2021. Okay? So, who is going to tell me? Oh, okay. Who? Yes, Maha, you want to say something? You raised your hand. Yes, please unmute yourself. Maham, you are muted. Please first unmute yourself. Maham, you need to unmute. We are still unable to hear you, my dear Maham. You have to unmute yourself. There is a red mic button. You have to press it on it and then you will be unmute. Okay? Can you see that mic button? There are 3 buttons at the bottom. There are 3 buttons at the bottom. The mic one, the middle one and the camera one, video. You have to press the mic one. Press the mic one option. You are still muted, my dear. Maham, I think you need help. Please go and ask your father or mother to help you how to unmute yourself. Okay? That's good. It's okay, it's just beginning. Very good. So tell me, Kartikesh, what do you like in fruits? Tell me your favorite fruit. Mango. And why do you like the mango most? That is very sweet, very juicy. You like its taste? That's good. Very good. Yes, Maha, you need to unmute yourself. Okay. So who likes to play the riddles? Okay guys, I have some riddles for you. Who likes to play the riddles? Stand, hands up. Or show me your thumb. Riddles. In Urdu we say paheliyan. Riddles. Okay, Shafi like. Okay, Karthik also like to play riddles. Very good, Nafe. Also like. Okay. So Kartikesh, thank you. Please put your hand down. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Karthik. Okay, Kartikesh. First riddle is for you. Are you ready? Okay. I look after passengers on the aircraft. Tell me, who am I? Who take care of passengers on the aircraft? Pilot fly the aeroplane. But who take cares? Who take right now? This is the Kartikesh turn. So please, all of you, you have to wait for your turn. Okay? Yes, Kartik. Who take care? Who serve us in the aircraft? Very good, Kartikesh. Excellent. Well done. Clap for Kartikesh. All of you, please clap for Kartikesh. Shafi and Nafi, you also please clap for Kartikesh. Very good. Well done, Kartikesh. Okay, yes, Shafi, next your turn. I manage a farm. I manage a farm. Look at me, Shafi. Who works on the farm? Well done, Shafi. Clap for Shafi. All of you, well done, very good. Okay, who is next? Let's see. Yeah, okay. Nafi, your turn. Okay. I'm brown. I have a mane. I like to eat zebras. I roar. Okay, I'm going to repeat it again. I'm brown. I have a mane. I like to eat zebras. I roar. Oh, roar. Lion. Well done. Clap for Nafi. Very good. Yes, Mom, your turn. But dear, you have to unmute yourself. Okay, Nafi, can't you help Maham to unmute? Or Shafi, one of you. One of you please go and help Maham. Okay, Maham, just listen to me. There are three options down. You have to press on the mic one. Can you see the mic? Mic. Just tap on it. Tap on it with your finger. Okay. Okay, Maham, it's okay. I think it's better if you learn it later after the class, okay? Okay, fine. Okay, all of you guys. Okay, who is going to tell me who knows what is COVID-19? You have to raise your hand. Ma'am, I know, dear, you know, but why don't you come and sit with one of your brother? If you are unable to unmute, you can do this. Yes, Kartikesh. Dear, do you know what is COVID-19, Kartikesh? Okay, rest of you please mute yourself. So I will be able to listen Kartikesh more clearly. Yes, Kartikesh, do you know what is COVID-19? Yes, very good. It's coronavirus. Well done, Kartikesh. You, as all of you guys know, that coronavirus is a very dangerous virus, but it is not. It is curable. Okay. And now I am going to share a video with you about the COVID-19, and I will explain you, and we will later I have some questions with you. So when I was, please remember that this video don't have audio, okay? So you don't guys have to worry that audio is, you are unable to listen it. It is only visible to you, and I will explain it to you. Here I am going to share my video with you. All of you please mute yourself. Thank you. Please mute yourself, all of you. Okay, all of you please mute yourself. Okay guys, is my screen is visible to you, to all of you? Can you see? Okay guys. Okay students, as you can see on the picture, germs are tiny dots. You can see this blue circle. What do you think? What are these? Yes, Shafe. Only Shafe is going to reply me. Yes, Shafe. What do you think? What is in this blue circle? What are these? These tiny and big, different shape of things. What are these? Yes, Shafe. Okay. All the students, please mute yourself. Only Shafe is going to unmute himself. Only Shafe is going to reply me. Yes, Shafe. Can you see that blue circle on your screen? Okay, tell me, what do you think? What are these things inside this blue circle? Yes, very good, Shafe. Germs. There are different size of germs. You know, germs are tiny dots that are so small we can't see them. Some germs can make us sick for a little while. You know, germs can be anywhere. After replying, please mute yourself. Okay. You know, germs can be anywhere. It can be on your phone, it can be on your hand, it can be on the doorknob, or it can be on your playing stuff, it can be on your toys. As you can see in these circles, there is a phone, tab, hand, knot. So we have to be very careful and we have to keep these things neat and clean. So let's check out the next page. Okay. Yes, Kartikesh. Kartikesh, can you tell me, yes, can you tell me what is on the number 1 circle? What is in the number 1 circle? What is this? Yes, thermometer. And what do we do with the thermometer? Yes, we check our fever. And Nafe, can you tell me, the girl is coughing right now. Is this the right way to cough? It is the right way to cover your mouth when you are coughing? Yes, Nafe. Yes, very good. Well done. You know, you don't have to cover your mouth with your hands. You have to cover your mouth with your arm or with your tissue. Okay, these are the different types. These what happened when we got a COVID-19. One new kind of germ is called coronavirus or COVID-19. Most people only get a little bit sick with a fever and cough with coronavirus. Then they get better. So, what are the signs of it? What are the signs of the coronavirus? Does anyone know? What are the signs of coronavirus? What? Yes, number 2, fever, cough and tiredness. It causes fever, you have a cough and you will feel very tired. Yes, Kartikesh, can you please tell me what happened when someone suffers from the coronavirus? What it causes to the humans? Yes, Kartik? Yes, you can. Yes, very good. Well done, Kartikesh. You get sick, you caught fever or cough and you feel very tired. These are the 3 main signs of being sick from the coronavirus, COVID-19. But you know what is the good thing? Despite the fever and cough, and all this people. People take medicine, they go to the doctor, they visit to the doctor, they take medicine and they get better. It's a good thing. So the coronavirus is curable. Okay, Maham, can you see? To keep myself healthy, I will wash my hands. People may ask me to wash my hands more than usual. So guys, students, you can see the different pictures on your screen. This is the right way to wash your hands. So what we have to do to keep the germs away from ourselves is to wash our hands more often than we wash our hands. Shafi, can you please unmute yourself and tell me, do we have to wash our hands again and again these days? Yes, very good, Shafi. We have to wash our hands again and again, in more often than we wash our hands. Okay? And what is the right way to wash your hands? Yes, as you can see in your picture, as you can see in the first picture. Yes, Nafi. What they are doing in the first picture? Yes, Nafi? Yes, first of all, you have to wet your hands. First of all, you have to wet your hands. And then next, yes, Kartikesh, what we have to do next? Can you see in the second picture? You will see it in the second picture. Yes, hand wash. But Kartikesh, look, in the first picture, first we have to wet our hand. And in the second picture, we have to apply soap on them. Okay? So first we wet our hands, then we apply soap on it. And then we, yes, who's going to tell me? Maha, can you please tell me? Yes, scrub. Yes, very good. Scrub. You have to apply the soap. And then we will apply the soap on our hands, well on the top of the hand and also on the palm. All of you, show me your palm. This is our palm. So what we have to do? We have to apply the soap on the top and on our palm, and we scrub and rub our hands like this. And then in the fourth, we wash our hands. And what we will do at the last? Yes, Maham. In the fifth picture, what we do? Maham, at the last. In the last, what we have to do? Yes, very good. We take towel and dry our hands. Okay? Yes? Yes, I can hear you. No, mute yourself. Okay? Oh, very good. Well done, Maham. Very good. So at last, first of all, what we have to do? We wet our hands, then we apply soap on it, and then we wash it, and yes, then we apply the soap properly, thoroughly, and then we wash the hands, and then we dry the hands with the towel. Very good. Now let's be... Okay. All of you, please mute yourself. Yes, dear. Yes, dear. Okay, you know, can you please tell us what they are doing? Yes. Very good. Well done. Well done. Wash your hands. I will wash my hands after I cough or sneeze. Okay? Guys, so whenever you sneeze or you cough, you have to cover your mouth with your arm, or you can use tissue, and after I blow my nose. So when you have to wash your hands, when you cough, when you sneeze, when you blow your nose, and when you use bathroom, when you eat, before you eat, and after eating, you have to wash your hands. Again, I'm going to repeat it again. You have to wash your hands after you cough, after you sneeze, after you blow your nose, after using the washroom or toilet, before eating, and after eating. Okay, Shafiq, can you tell me? Just tell me the one point that you have to wash your hands. After what? Yeah, dear, I know you know, but right now this is Shafiq's turn. So please wait for your turn. Thank you. Yes, Shafiq, just tell me one point. Sorry, who is there? Who want to drink the water? Yes, please go. Drink the water and come back. Hurry up, quickly, okay? Because there are so many things we have to do. After this, we are going to do a lot of fun, okay? Quickly. Yes, Shafiq. Are you there, Shafiq? Can you hear me? Shafiq, okay. Shafiq, can you hear me? Okay, tell me one reason. Tell me the one point. After that, we have to wash our hands. After doing that, what? When we cough, when we sneeze, when we blow our nose, what? When? Just give me just one point. Yes, yes, Shafiq. Shafiq, you can see the pictures as well. Look at the first picture. What this boy is doing? What he is doing? Coughing. Yes, when you cough, you have to, after coughing, you just go and wash your hands. Very good, good boy. Yes, Kartikesh. No, it's your turn. Thank you, Shafiq. Well done. Excellent, dear. Well done. Yes. Kartikesh, your turn. Can you please tell me the one reason when you have to... Yes, Kartikesh. When you have to wash your hands. Okay, Nafe, your turn. Yeah. Yes, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you, my dear. Yes, Kartikesh, your turn. Kartikesh, can you tell me one reason when we have to wash our hands? Yes, very good. Yes, very good, Kartikesh. Well done, excellent, my dear. You are a good boy. Yes, when you sneeze, you have to cover your mouth, and after that you have to wash your hands. Yes, Maham, it's your turn. Yes, Maham. Very good. Well done, Maham. Great job. Very good. Very good. Okay, now let's see what's happened next. Okay. What is this? Yes. Yes, very good. Very good. It's hand sanitizer. If I can't wash my hands, I will use hand gel instead. So, if you are unable, if you are somewhere at the place where there is no water, if you are unable of some reason to wash your hands, you can use the hand sanitizer instead of that. You have the option to sanitize your hands. When you go out, you already have, that's very good. Okay, I will see it later because right now I'm unable to see you. Okay, after completing this video, I will come to you and then you will show me. Okay. Germs live in, right now I can't see you my dear. Let me finish this video and then I will come back to you. Okay. Germs live in coughs and sneeze. I will cover my mouth with my elbow when I cough or sneeze. As already I told you that how you have to cover your mouth when you sneeze, with your arm. Very good. Okay, I will use a tissue if I need to pick or blow my nose. Then I will throw away the tissue and wash my hands. Okay, Kartikesh, can you please explain these three pictures to us? What they are trying to do? Can you please explain? Kartikesh. Yes, there are some tissues. And when we blow our nose, we use tissue. And what we did with that tissue? Yes, very good. What we do with that tissue, we throw the tissue into the dustbin and then we had to wash our hands. Well done, Kartikesh. Good job. Okay, what is this? What they are trying to say? No hugs, no high fives. Okay, tell you know. Yes, Nafe, your turn. Right now, I know you know, my dear, but right now this is Nafe's turn. Nafe, can you please unmute yourself? Okay, Nafe. Yes, I will. Yes, can you please explain the first picture? That's very good. And no high fives. Why, Nafe? Why we don't hug the peoples right now at this time? What is the reason? Yes, because of the germs. If we touch other people's, we hugs and high five, the germs will be transferred to all of us. As you know that could. Yes, Nafi? Yes, please. Yes, very good. Good job, Nafi. Well done. I will try not to touch people outside my family as much as usual. I can wave instead of giving hugs or high five. Oh, that's a very good idea. You can only wave the people. You know, social distance is very important these days. You have to keep social distance from the people, those who come from outside and whenever you go outside. You have to do it. So no high fives and no hugs. Just wave to the people. Okay, or you can just orally say hello, hi. Oh, my school may close to keep everyone healthy. While I'm home, I will do my schoolwork or other activities. Then my school will reopen. Okay, who is going to tell me? Students, are you missing your schools right now? Yes, Maha, tell me. Yes, you have to, whenever you go to the school, you have, whenever you go to the outside, you have to wear the mask. Okay, Maha, tell me, do you miss your friends or teachers? Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, and you know, these days, as we can't go outside, you know, we can't go to the museum, we can't go to the zoo, we can't go to the libraries, we can't go to the malls. So it's so boring. Yes. Okay, all of you, please mute yourself. Maham is trying to say something. Yes, Maham, please repeat. Oh, that's yes, on the weekends, most of the time. But now, due to the coronavirus, all the places are closed. So we are unable to even can't go outside on the weekends with our family. We can't go outside even on the weekends. So is that a boring thing? Is that you make bored? Yes, you can play. So tell me what activities you do at home these days. Mostly. We start from the Shafe. Yes, Shafe. Tell me the one activity that you did daily at home these days. Shafi, so what can you do at home when you can't even go out? When you are unable to go, you watch TV? Oh, that's great. But you can't watch the TVs for the whole day. So what else you can do, Shafi? After watching the TV, what else you can do at home? Very good. That's also you say your prayers. That is a very good thing. Yes. Thank you, Shafi. Well done. Well done. Good job. Okay, Kartikesh, your turn. What can you do at home when you can't go out? Yes. Yes, Kartikesh. You will watch TV and you study. Do you often read some storybooks? Do you like to read storybooks? That's good. Very good job. Yes, Maham, you tell me, what can you do at home when you can't go out? Activities like what? Okay. Okay. Oh, that's very good, Maham. You are such a good girl. You do activities. You read storybooks. That's very good. Yes, Nafe. Yes, my dear. Who is there? Yes, dear. Okay. Yes, Nafe. Your turn. What you do at home these days? Okay, all of you, please mute yourself. Only Nafe, you unmute yourself. Rest of you, please mute yourself. Yes, Nafe? You help your sister in what? In doing what? Oh, okay, guys. Well done. So, guys, students, uh, you know what you have to do. We study so much about the COVID-19. No, I hope that you know what you have to do, how you have to keep yourself away from the germs, how you have to wash your hands, how you have to, and you know, there are some more things. You have to eat healthy food these days. You have to eat a lot of, oh, that's very good, Maha. Well done. You have to eat vegetables, eat fruits, take your vitamins, drink milk every day, and brush your, and oh, that's good. That's very good. Okay, and you have to brush your teeth twice a day, and you have one day, one thing more. You have to go to the bed early at time. Okay, you have to take much enough sleep, so it makes you very healthy. Very, yes, you have to take rest, but not all the days. And you know, these days you can do different type of activities. You can do art and craft. You can also play. You also need a physical. Yes, you can do. That's good. And what yes, Anaya, you guys can play. That is very good, Nafe and Shafe. It's good to watch TV. It's good to play. It's good to study. So you have to divide your time for all these activities. Okay, daily you have to study. Daily you have to do your homework. Daily you have to do the physical activity and all these things. That's very good. Good, all of you. So, guys, is there something else that you students want to share with us? Yes, Maha? Oh, that's so nice. That's very good. That's very good. Do Nafi and Shafi also love their family? Yes, Shafi. It's okay. All the siblings are like this, my dear. All the siblings do fight with each other. So it's not a big deal. Okay, all of you, it's very nice to meet all of you. I'm very glad to see all of you. So soon we will be meet again. Right now the class is over. I think it's your it's night over there, and after this all of you will be go to sleep. Yes, Shafe and Nafe, it's night over there, and after this you will go to the sleep. To sleep. Yeah, very good, Anaya. Okay. Okay, the class is over. I'm very glad to meet you. Inshallah, I will see you soon in your classes. Okay. Right now, this one is our introduction class. Okay. Fine. Very good. Oh, okay. Oh no, you. Yes, Maham. Yes. What you want to say? Oh, that's very good. Very good. Nice. Well done. Okay, all of you. Allah, bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Okay. I hope. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Good night. Good night. Bye bye. Good night, dear. Good night. Bye bye. Yes, Anaya.